Welcome back, fellow financial explorers. Today, we're embarking on a riveting journey into the heart of one of the tech world's titans, Qualcomm. Prepare to be amazed as we dissect the financial metrics that have propelled Qualcomm's success. So, let's roll up our sleeves and dive into the numbers. Our first stop, valuation metrics. Qualcomm's price-to-earnings ratio over the trailing 12 months clocks in at a sturdy 14.39. But what really catches the eye is the fascinating trajectory over the last half-decade, averaging around 19.82. Gazing into the future, the forward P/E ratio promises a promising 12.06. Unfortunately, we do not have the P/G ratio available because the EPS projections for the next 5 years are negative. But do not worry that we have other very interesting data available. Venturing deeper, we uncover returns that tell a compelling story. Qualcomm's return on equity waltzes confidently at an impressive 44.6%, while the return on assets elegantly treads at 17.5%. Now, let's crack open the earnings vault. Qualcomm boasts an impressive earnings per share of $7.65. Gaze further, and you'll spot a projected EPS contraction of minus 11.57% over the next 5 years. Yes, you heard right, contraction. Be alert so as not to suffer an unexpected sharp drop in the market price. Hold on to your seats, because Qualcomm isn't just about cutting-edge tech, it's about rewarding its stakeholders too. With a dividend yield of 2.91% and an astonishing 10.74% dividend growth over the last decade, Qualcomm knows how to keep its investors smiling for almost 20 years. Profitability is the heart of any business, and Qualcomm's heart is undoubtedly healthy. With an operating margin of 25.7% and a profit margin of 22.3%, they're adept at converting their top-line growth into substantial bottom-line gains. Prepare to be awestruck by Qualcomm's financial odyssey. For years, revenues seemed to sway in the tranquil range of $20 to $25 billion. Then, out of the blue, starting in 2021, they soared to almost $45 billion in 2022, a meteoric rise. Similarly, the earnings have almost the same evolution in the past 8 years, with the peculiar exception that in 2018 they obtained losses. Now, let's take the pulse of Qualcomm's financial health. The debt-to-equity ratio stands at a balanced 0.75, indicating a judicious mix of borrowed funds and shareholder equity. The long-term debt-to-equity ratio further solidifies the company's responsible financial stance at 0.70. Steering towards the stock performance, the average return over the past 52 weeks is a worrying minus 27.27%. And finally, the market capitalization stands at an impressive $122.85 billion, which leads Qualcomm to be one of the giants in the semiconductor sector. Impressive, right? It's crystal ball time again. Analysts foresee Qualcomm's stock ascending to $137.87 within the next 12 months. A staggering 25.22% upsurge. But here's the kicker. Our calculations suggest a fair value around $127.18, a hint at an exciting undervaluation too. There you have it, ladies and gentlemen, an in-depth voyage into the heart of Qualcomm's financial voyage. From valuations to dividends, growth to stability, Qualcomm stands tall as a beacon of tech brilliance. Keep those eyes peeled, for this powerhouse is charting a course towards even greater innovations. Remember to show some love with that thumbs up button, subscribe for more financial discoveries, and share your insights in the comments below. Until our next time, and happy investing!